Hi everyone. Today we are learning about past simple tense in English. We use the past simple to talk about actions that are finished, things that happened yesterday, last week, or even just a moment ago. These tasks have finished in the past. The structure is very easy. We use subject plus past tense verb, which is second form of the verb. Let's start with irregular verbs first because they are quite difficult sometimes. These don't follow the usual ed pattern. They are different. For example, go, we use go, went, gone. Or eat, ate, eaten. See, saw, seen. But in past simple, we use only second form of the verb. So that means we will use went, ate, saw. And now 3 examples using regular verbs where we just need ed. For example, play, played. Watch, watched. Visit, visited. Now let's use the same sentences and repeat them in different situations by using past simple tense. So here is the first situation. School day. I went to school early in the morning. I ate pizza during lunch. It was delicious. After school, I saw a movie with my friends. Then I played football on the playground. In the evening, I watched TV at home. Before bed, I visited my grandma for a quick chat. So you can see in all of these past simple sentences, we used just second form of the verb, nothing else. We can use time markers to clarify time. Now, let's take example of a second situation. Weekend fun. On Saturday, I went to school for a weekend art class. Later, I ate pizza with my classmates. I saw a movie at the mall. It was really good. After that, I played video games for 2 hours. At night, I watched a cartoon with my little brother. We also visited a museum with our parents. So that means we talked about what has happened on the weekend. That has happened. And then also we used second form of the verb to use past simple sentences. Now, third situation, vacation story. You must have visited some places during your vacation and then you want to write a recount about it. So, for example, during the holidays, I went to school just to collect some certificates. Afterward, I ate pizza at a beachside cafe. I saw a movie under the stars at an outdoor cinema. In the afternoon, I played with my cousins at the park. We watched the sunset together and we visited our relatives in the countryside. Now, this is all about past simple tense. It's very simple. You only have to use second form of the verb with the subject, nothing else. Let's review the grammar. For regular verbs, we use ed. Play, played. Watch, watched. Visit, visited. So that means we are only using ed to make the second form of the verb. Now, for irregular verbs, you need to memorize because we cannot use only ed in the end. For example, go to went, eat to ate, see to saw, and we just did some examples. You can also make questions using past simple tense. Then we use did. Did is an auxiliary form of verb which shows past simple tense. For example, did you go to school? Did you play football? Did you visit your grandma? In all these questions, we use base forms, which means we use first form of the verb. And make negative sentences, we can also use did not or didn't. I did not go to school. I did not eat pizza. Or I did not watch TV. So just by changing the situation, school day, weekend, or vacation, we can use the same verbs and practice the past simple. Keep practicing with both irregular and regular verbs, and soon you will feel natural. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time. Thank you.